Alright, y'all, we got some peat moss, and we got some Roma tomatoes, and we got 3 buckets. To be honest, I'm probably gonna need another bag because most of this, really, to be honest, I gotta take over here. That's for the tomato. I'm gonna do a tomato vine over here, but I'm gonna I gotta put some of this on my berry bush. Put some of this got going here. This is a berry bush, and they love peat moss. So, all right, that should be enough nutrients for that. And then we're gonna. I think my fig tree is dying. I don't know what's going on with this thing, man. We're gonna put a little bit over here. I have no idea what's going on with this fig tree. I think it's slowly dying. It's a couple leaves, but we're just gonna throw a little bit of this over here. See if it'll help bring it back to life. And then we're gonna come over here, back to the tomato. And we're gonna dump the rest of this over here. Okay, so we got lucky. It's just enough, all 3. Peat moss. I'm not sure tomato plants like peat moss or not, but we're gonna try it anyway. Okay. And then we're just gonna take these tomato seeds. We're gonna do a lazy sprinkle. Jeez, they didn't get many at all, did they? We'll just buy another bag. There's a little bit in there. No, it ain't. That's gonna have to be good enough. I'll probably throw something else in other buckets, but boom. So we got tomato in here. And we'll let that chill in there. And I'll water it down. See if I can find some water where I have it run to the water hose. some of this like this and just throw it over here like that. I dropped a bunch of them in here. Let me just go take some of the water. I don't know how good that water is. I don't trust that water. But we'll water it later. So we got 3 buckets of tomatoes we're gonna try to grow right here on this trellis, homemade trellis. And hopefully in about 2-3 weeks, we'll start getting a little tomato vine out here. So you guys stay tuned, drop back in a couple of weeks. And I'll let you know how tomatoes grow in peat moss. I'm not 100% sure if they grow in peat moss or not. I know peat moss is a pretty good soil, so I'm kind of confident that it will. But like I said, I'm not 100% sure on it. So we're just gonna keep an eye on it. If I have to make some regular dirt in there, then I will. But yeah, man, just drop back in, and hopefully in a little while we'll have some tomatoes growing in here for some lettuce. Not lettuce, for some salads. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Green Maker Farm, we out.